Hey everyone, today I am answering a common question. Can you download Notability on Windows? Let's clear the confusion and give you a real solution. What's up guys, today I'll show you how to use Notability on Windows, if it is possible or not. First of all, simply open your browser. If you use Google Chrome, open it, or if you are using Brave, simply open it. First of all, Notability is not available on Windows. To view Notability notes on Windows, just go to iCloud.com. I'll search here iCloud. After going in, please sign into your account. Just log in with your Apple ID and open iCloud Drive. Open your iCloud Drive and sign in with your Apple ID. If you can't use Notability, simply go on to another tab and simply type here Notability, and you can see here application Notability. You can use it from here, or if you are using Mac, you can use this software files here and search here product file Notability, and simply you can download it from here. So while you can't download Notability on Windows, you can still view your notes and use powerful alternatives. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.